just got off of work. It's like 8-ish, and Taylor just called me saying that she found a bed, and I sent over the money and I bought it already, so I gotta go pick that sucker up. So I'm gonna go drop my dad's truck off, change my clothes real quick, and probably just head out. I might not record too much because I'm totally dead. I've been going at it for a while now, so yeah, hopefully you see me next, not on the side of the road on the way to Arizona and at Taylor's house picking up the bed. So yeah. Well, we got the bed. Let's see if we make it home in one piece.
I love you.
Making the first stop since I left Taylor's house. Luckily I got a big ass tank, so I was able to come all the way to the border. I'm at the Flying J. I filled up at the Chevron right before, but came over here, got a little bit of food. So yeah, if you're gonna pick up a bed, this isn't a bad idea. I've been able to just go like 70, 80 miles an hour the whole way. I just stop every once in a while to check, make sure the straps are tight. So I'm thinking the next stop is either going to be at Morongo or home. Haven't really decided. Just depends how I'm feeling. So let's get to it. Almost another road trip to Arizona and back done. All right, back on the road for another couple more hours and get back home. Well, we finally got the bed off. We just got the bed off the truck. I went and showered real quick, changed clothes. Yeah, I want to say a huge shout out to Taylor and Taylor's dad, Jim, at Hard Work Images. Wouldn't have been able to do it without him and his idea to put the planks in his trailer. So yeah, huge shout out to them. I've got almost everything. I think I'm only like still waiting on, I need to order gauges and so a little couple more turbo lines and fittings, a few lines, stuff like that. That'll probably just be ordered when we start doing the swap. But a lot of stuff like the turbo is actually on back order, so hopefully begin that soon and starting on this progress. Also waiting on to install some custom door handles on this thing too. So I think as soon as we get those custom door handles installed, this thing will start getting taken apart. But yeah, hope you enjoyed my little road trip. Sorry I didn't record much. I've kind of only slept like 6 hours in the last 48. So yeah, thrash, total roadkill to get this thing. Totally sketched out because I thought it was gonna die when I was going up there. It dropped down like 7 volts at one point. But we made it. Good old trusty truck over there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.